Angular Development Services. Elevate your web applications. Benefits of Angular web applications. Modular development. Angular's modular architecture allows for the creation of reusable components, promoting efficient development and easier maintenance. Enhanced user experience. Angular's two-way data binding and real-time updates create a seamless and responsive user experience, improving overall satisfaction. Scalability. Angular's modular structure and dependency injection system make it highly scalable, adapting to the evolving needs of your business. Cross-platform compatibility. Angular enables the development of cross-platform applications, ensuring a consistent user experience across various devices and browsers. Optimized performance. Angular's ahead-of-time, AOT, compilation, and tree-shakeable components contribute to faster load times and improved performance. Comprehensive testing support. Angular comes with built-in testing tools and support for various testing frameworks, ensuring the reliability and stability of your applications. Maintainability. The structure and organization provided by Angular make code maintenance and updates more straightforward, reducing development time and costs. How Prevaj can help. User-Centric design. Our focus is on creating user-centric designs that enhance the overall user experience, fostering engagement and satisfaction. Performance optimization. We employ best practices and optimization techniques to ensure your Angular applications deliver optimal performance and responsiveness. Testing and quality assurance. Rigorous testing processes are integral to our development cycle, ensuring the reliability and stability of your Angular applications. Continuous support and maintenance. Our commitment extends beyond development. We provide ongoing support and maintenance services to keep your Angular applications up to date and secure. Contact us now.